One of the most popular and frequently asked questions about China importation is, how do people even use the 1688 app without understanding Chinese? Today, I'll show you everything, a full breakdown of every feature, icon, button, settings, and navigation you must know, explained in simple English. Welcome back, Hustle family. If you've ever opened 1688 and suddenly felt like you entered a Chinese classroom, today's your lucky day. I'm breaking down the entire 1688 app from A to Z using my phone. No Chinese knowledge needed. No confusion. Just clarity. By the time we finish, you'll be using 1688 like a pro importer. Let's skip all the steps of downloading and logging in or registering to opening the 1688 app. Let's jump in. So, when you open the 1688 app, this is the home page. Let me break down what everything means. Let's start from the top. Starting with the search bar at the top. This is where all the magic happens. This is where we search for goods. You can search by image, product, name, supplier name, item link. Inside the search bar, we have the camera icon. This is what we use for picture search. Click here. Take a picture of any product and search. 1688 will show you dozens of factories producing it. We have the banner slider. These are random promotions. You can ignore them. Next to that are the factory and industrial products. Next, we have the category section. These mini icons represent payment services for local residents in China, overseas shipping, which I don't recommend you using, help guild, choice, electronics, hot products, trending, home items, and more. Below all this, we have random product recommendations listings. Okay, so let's try using the search bar. Let's start with the most important tool, the search bar. On 1688, you can type in English, but I usually advise people to type in Chinese to get the best results. Here's the trick. 1. Go to Google Translate. 2. Type your product name. 3. Copy the Chinese translation. 4. Paste it into 1688. Done. Let's make a practical example. So I will move to my Google Translator. Type ladies bag. Gives translate. Gives paste. Hundreds of suppliers. If you want to know more about how to translate the app, I have a video on it. Make sure to watch that. So all these different prices and products appearing here are sold from different suppliers. And there are plenty of them that you may not have the luxury of time to check all out. So we have filters here you can use. Let me teach you a thing or two here. In here, you can find the product's pictures, prices, and quantities sold. Also, you can see product return rates here. The product return rate is the number of buyers who came back to purchase the item again after the first purchase. You should check for products with return rates above 40+. The return rate sometimes tells that the product is good. The rationale is that if a product has about 80% return rates, it means about 80% of the people who purchased the product for the first time came back to purchase again, which is a good thing. If you want to know more about return rates, store rates, product reviews, and more, watch my video on legit versus fake suppliers. Okay, let me click on one of these. This is the product page breakdown. Let's talk about what each part means. When you open a product, it looks confusing, but I'll break everything down. We have 1. The product image and gallery. You can click to view more. 2. Variations or varieties. In here, we are talking about sizes, colors, styles, etc. 3. Price section showing the price of the product. But note this. The supplier can use a price trick here. You can confirm the actual price by making an attempt to purchase the product. This way, you can see the actual price and also the mainland delivery fees. That's the fee they will charge to deliver the goods to your shipping company warehouse address. Some charge whilst others don't. 4. We have the MOQ. This tells you the minimum number of pieces you can buy. Look here. Do you see the number? Yes, that's the MOQ. It varies from product to product. 5. After that, we have the product reviews. That's people's reviews after they purchase a product. The place is among the many crucial things to check before purchasing a product. In here, there's only one review, which is not all that good because mostly I prefer to see image or picture reviews. But anyway, let's move on. 6. We have the supplier profile. This is very important. You'll see supplier name, return rates, years active or year established, store ratings, number of workers, and many more, which are all necessary for check. For instance, if the supplier's years of business are less than 3 years, I advise you to stay away. But if they have worked for more than 3 years, then it's good. If it's more than 10 years, it's perfect. Another thing is if they have small workers, it means it's a reseller or retail. But if they have more workers, it means they can be a factory, which is good. One more thing to check here, of which I've already stated, is return rates. Always look for stores above 40% plus. Next, we have a list of similar products sold by the supplier. I won't say much here. Next, we have the product details. Another important thing to check for when using the app or purchasing a product. Mostly people check return rates, years of business, MOQ, store rates, etc., leaving out product details, which is wrong. Always read the product details. It will save you a whole lot of trouble. So, you click here, screenshot it, and go to your Google Translator to translate the product details to English. It's very necessary. The rest is the product images. You can save from here if you're into a pre-order business. Below that too, you will see similar products from different suppliers recommended below. Oh, and yes, I almost forgot one thing. If you want to save this product link, you will have to click here. Click on this to copy the link. You can save it to your notebook or WhatsApp, or if you're using a procurement agent. This link will be sent to him. It will take the person directly to this product, so he or she can purchase it for you. Now, let's take a look at the toolbar below. 8. Starting with the Buy Now buttons. This orange button you can see here. You can click to buy immediately. 9. Next is the Add to Cart or Check Cart button. You can click here to add the item to cart to purchase or pay later. 10. Next is the Chat icon. That's where we click to chat with suppliers. 11. Next is the Like or Add to Favorite icon. You can click to add this product to your favorites. 1. Next one again is the Supplier Store page. Tap on this icon to enter the Supplier Store profile or page. I don't want to dive deep in there, but after you click, with the help of Google Translate, you will find things like store banner, their branding, store level, product categories, what they sell, reviews and ratings, feedback, their entire catalog. Scroll to see all products. This is where you judge whether the supplier is real or fake. If you want to know more about this topic, legit versus fake suppliers, watch my future video on legit versus fake suppliers. Now, let's leave the product page, back to our homepage. The first page we saw when we first opened the app, bottom navigation bar. So this is the homepage icon. Next to it is where you can find your messages or all your chats with suppliers. Next to that is Add to Cart icon, or Check Cart. When you find a product you like, after you clicked and added to your carts, you can find them here. Next is the My Account section, most important part. There's too much here that could actually make a video on its own, but I will cover some important ones and leave the rest to you to discover. So, after clicking on the top here, you will see your Taobao account. This means you have logged in and can trade. Next is the Orders icon. This shows all goods pending, yet to ship, delivered, etc. Okay, let me take you through this quickly. Imagine you have seen a product you like, and instead of buying now, you added it to your cart list. It will come here where it says to pay, meaning you are yet to pay for the goods. After paying for the goods, it will move to pay to ship, meaning you have paid, and the supplier is yet to ship it to your shipping company warehouse address in China. After the supplier ships it, it will move from to ship to receive, meaning the shipping agent is yet to receive your goods. After the shipment company receives your goods and confirms, it will move to review. It's very simple. I wish I could explain in more detail, but it looks like I should be wrapping up. So the next icon you see here is the refund button, where you will click if you want any refund for your goods. Down the orders toolbar, we have the customer service, help center, favorites, products, you liked, coupons, vouchers, rarely useful, settings, gear icon at the top corner, where you manage, password, linked accounts, notifications, address, language, and more. Now I believe you may not grasp everything that just happened. So find time to rewatch this video again and again over several times. If you want to learn how to translate the 1688 app, watch my video on how to translate 1688. Lastly, before I leave, take note of these important warnings for beginners. Don't pay suppliers directly. Always use Alipay for all your payments. Always let suppliers paste your shipping mark onto your package before shipping. Don't chat too much in English. Some suppliers may not understand. Don't buy from stores with no reviews, no sales, no badges, no rating. So, Hustle family, that's how to use the 1688 app like a pro even if you're a total beginner. If this video helped you understand 1688 better, smash the like button, subscribe, and join the Hustle family on Telegram at Financial Masterclass for more. Next, I'll teach you how to add your shipping address, how to track your shipments, and how to avoid fake suppliers. See you in the next video. Peace out.